Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to a new video on my channel. So today we'll be doing a massive unboxing on our channel and let me tell you, this is going to be super fun. You guys know, right, I've made like a lot of gaming chair videos on our channel. So a lot of you people were asking like, hey Vimal, can you also make a video on a good office chair, that offers like good comfort while you're sitting in front of your PC? Well, I thought, why not? Let's do that. And on top of that, right, I'm planning for a new white themed gaming PC setup on our channel. So I thought, why not, along with the gaming PC, white themed PC, let's also add some white themed accessories and maybe a white chair with that. And well, that is what I'll be unboxing exactly in this video. So this is my brand new white office chair, guys, that offers like good comfort, and it's from this brand known as JD9. I found it on Amazon. They make like a couple of chairs, office chairs, and have like different models in them. And this particular one has some ergonomic design that offers like maximum comfort and specially made for computer purpose. So it's got a new Synchro tilt mechanism, that is what the company calls, and that automatically adapts to your back and offers you maximum comfort. And the second thing is it's got a Korean mesh design, guys, so like a breathable design. So that is something that I'm like super excited to unbox and show you people in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. And guys, this is like a massive unboxing, and on top of that I'll have to assemble the chair, right, which I can't do alone. So I'll be calling my dad also. We both will be like unboxing and then we'll be assembling the chair. So let's get started. So guys, the chair comes in this sort of box packaging. There is nothing much written on the box, so we'll directly get started with the unboxing. The brand has a huge collection of office and home chairs starting from 4,000 rupees to all the way up to 25,000 rupees. That too in like different models, so you can choose as per your requirement and the budget you have. Mine is a highly ergonomic chair that adapts to your body shape to maximize the comfort. And also one more thing I have to mention is this chair is available in two different colors, black and white. I have the white color variant. Alright, on opening the box, we've got a lot of stuff over here. There's an accessory box at the top with some installation tools, and the rest are all the chair parts, like you've got the handles, headrest for the chair, tilt mechanism, a high quality gas lift, a user manual with complete instructions on how to assemble it, and here's the upper half of the chair. Holy smokes, just look at the design at the back! I've never seen a chair like this before. And this is the lower half of the chair, the actual seat where you'll be sitting. And lastly, you get the wheelbase for the chair. See, this is completely made of metal and has a beautiful chrome finishing. And if you were wondering what did we get in the accessory box, we got 5 wheels for the chair and also an Allen key to assemble the chair. As you can see, the caster wheels are also of really good quality. Alright then, without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the assembling. See, assembling a chair is very simple, guys. You can do it yourself at home. There are no complications at all. Just follow my video step by step and you'll get the complete idea on how to do it. So the first step you need to do is fix the wheels on the base frame. Just put the wheels in the slots over here and push them firmly to lock the wheels over here. And that's it, we're done with the first step. Next, we need to fix the tilt mechanism to the lower seat. It fixes on the bottom side like this, and not to worry about the screws and the tools, you get everything in the package only. Just fix all the screws on all the 4 corners and use this provided Allen key tool to tighten up all the screws on all the corners, just like this. After that, place the gas lift at the center of the wheelbase. Now time to put the lower seat on top of this gas lift. See, the tilt mechanism has a hole on the bottom side. Just align the gas lift over there. And that's it, we're done with the lower half of the chair. Now all that is left is to fix the upper half, the chair handles and the headrest. So let's start with the handles. The handles should be fixed to a lower seat on the bottom side. You only have like 3 screws to be fixed per handle. Align them properly and tighten them up using the Allen key. Looks very simple, right? We're almost done with the assembling. Now let's fix the upper section of the chair, which is the backrest. The backrest just slides into the metal frame on the bottom and you need to fix it using 3 provided screws. And that's it, guys, the chair has been finally assembled. And the only thing left to do now is fix this headrest at the top and we'll be completely done with the assembling. So guys, this is how my brand new white office chair from JD9 looks like. Alright guys, so I'm back to continue the video, and this is my brand new ergonomic chair from JD9. So thing is, I've been using this chair for the past few days, and what I'll do is now I'll be sharing like my complete experience and feedback about the design, the comfort, and about the materials used and all that stuff right now guys. So first let me tell you about the design. This is mainly an ergonomic chair guys, and as you can see it's got a very complete like a futuristic design. The brand is calling this shape as Synchro tilt mechanism because whenever you sit on the chair, right, the chair tries to adapt to your back and the spinal and the back and tries to give you maximum comfort while you're sitting on it. And let me tell you, this thing actually works. I'm not like exaggerating or anything because I've used it, right? So I can definitely tell you guys that. And also every part, like most of the parts in the chair are adjustable, including the headrest and the height and all that are adjustable. I'll be coming there in a moment. So and yes, you see these two things over here, these are the lumbar support and they're also adjustable manually. You have to just lift them up and down like this, and you can place it wherever you feel comfortable for your back. And if you talk about the color scheme, I've already mentioned at the earlier part of the video, right, like this chair is available in two different colors. One is a regular black variant and this one is a special white and gray themed variant guys. And let me tell you, I love the color on it, love this white and gray theme. It'll go really well with my brand new white gaming setup. And if you talk about the material used over here for the chair, see, this is completely nylon. It's a Korean mesh design guys. That means there is no cushion behind this mesh. It's like completely open, lots of pores in it, and has like a lot of breathability in it guys. What happens is when you use those usual leather chairs, leather office chairs, after using or after sitting on the chairs for quite some time, you start feeling sweaty and it gets a bit uncomfortable after long periods of time. But that will not happen on this chair because see, I personally used it. I've sat on the chair at a stretch for like 2 to 3 hours also. I didn't feel any sort of sweat or anything like that because see, it's completely breathable, right? So there's a plenty of air flowing through this thing. And I also pretty much like the material quality as well. See, I didn't knew that this thing was actually made of nylon. It's like very tightly stitched and attached to the body of the chair. Very nice finishing. And if you talk about the armrests, I'll just sit in the chair and tell you about the armrests. See, it's got 2D armrests on it. That means you can only adjust the height. Usually this is a normal position, and let me tell you, it's like perfect for me. I can comfortably place my hands on the armrest and nicely watch or do my stuff on my computer. But if you feel that you want to extend the height, just press these buttons to the side and there you go. You can extend the height easily like this. Super simple. Movements also feel very nice. And that is pretty much it guys. These do not swivel or go front and back like on gaming chairs. So that was about the armrest. And you see the headrest over here. The headrest is also completely adjustable. You can extend the height of this headrest like this, or you can even change the angle. You can tilt it, lift it up as per your requirement and convenience. You can put it wherever you feel comfortable for your head. So that is how it works. And not only that guys, even the height on this chair is adjustable. You've got a lever on the bottom side over here. Let me just do that and show you. Yeah, found it. So guys, just lift the lever like this and you can easily adjust the height like this. So yeah, this is the maximum height possible on it. Pretty comfortable for me. And yes, I forgot to mention about the maximum weight capacity on this chair. It can take maximum loads of up to like 150 kgs. So no matter how heavy personality you guys have, it's enough for this chair. It can easily handle you. So that was about the height adjustment. And not only that, there's also one more option to change the tilting angle of this chair, and you can push this seat over here to either front or back as per your convenience. Suppose you want a perfect 90-degree angle while you're sitting in front of your computer, you can just put it to this current position, or you just want to go you want to relax and get a comfortable position. There's a separate lever down here. You just need to lift that and push it forward, push the seat forward with your weight, and there you go. That's how it works. Now come back, push forward. Perfect, right? So yeah, these were all the adjustments available on this chair guys from JD9. And if you ask about the comfort, For me, I feel that this is very comfortable, especially because see, I use a lot of computer, right? I'm always like sitting in front of my PC, and I feel that the chair is like very comfortable for me. Initially, I was a bit skeptical about the comfort on this chair because see, there is literally no cushioning on it, right? So I thought, how will that be? But see, after using it for like 1-2 days, it really changed my mind because the comfort on this chair is very good. It's like got that perfect angle for watching or using your computer, and I was quite satisfied with the experience. So on the overall, guys, the chair is like pretty comfortable. It's got great looks, love the design, also looks pretty futuristic, and main thing is the comfort, guys. It doesn't compromise in that section. It feels like pretty comfortable while you're sitting on it and using your PC. So that was also nice, and it's also like pretty much most of the parts are adjustable on it. But the only thing I felt the chair was missing was a recline function, guys. See, most of the gaming chairs or maybe some of the office chairs come with reclining feature where you can just pull the lever and go back and maybe sleep, take a small nap. See, that feature is not there on this chair. Apart from that, everything else is nice about the chair. And if you talk about the pricing, I've already told you, right, JD9 makes like a bunch of office chairs starting from 4,000 rupees to 25,000 rupees, so you can choose depending on your budget. And my model, this one is an ergonomic chair, highly advanced ergonomic chair, and costs around like 22,500 rupees on Amazon, guys. I'll just leave a link to this chair in the description box below. You can check it out from there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video and got to check out my brand new chair. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. And also, guys, stay tuned because I've told you, right, I'm planning for this white themed gaming PC setup that is also going to be like literally lit. So yeah, stay tuned for that on our channel. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.